Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your Amazon Prime Video subscription plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to switch to a better plan with more features. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon Prime Video website. Sign into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon or account settings in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select subscription or plan details from the menu to view your current subscription tier and available upgrade options. Step 4. Review the different plan options available, comparing features, benefits, and pricing to find the one that best suits your needs. Step 5. Click on the Upgrade or Change Plan button next to your preferred plan option. Step 6. Review the changes to your billing, including any prorated charges or credits that will be applied to your account. Step 7. Confirm your payment method is up to date. Add or update payment information if necessary to complete the upgrade. Step 8. Click Confirm Upgrade to finalize the change. Your new plan features should be available immediately, and you'll receive a confirmation email with the updated subscription details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.